Officials say eventually close to 70% of all Sputnik V vaccines will be produced in India. The vaccine has been granted emergency use approval by the drug regulator here. The Russian Direct Investment Fund says that it has inked pact with 6 manufacturers here in India who will be looking to produce close to 850 million shots annually. Sputnik is not the only vaccine developed abroad being mass manufactured in India though. In fact, India's most widely used COVID-19 vaccine is the Oxford AstraZeneca shot. It's being bulk produced here by the country's largest vaccine maker, Serum Institute of India, under the name Covishield. Several other domestic vaccine manufacturers are following suit. South India-based Biological E is looking to produce 600 million shots of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine annually. This will be in addition to its own homegrown vaccine candidate currently undergoing final stage trials. In total, India is banking on 9 vaccines for its own population, but only 4 have been approved for use: the Oxford AstraZeneca shot, Indian-developed Covaxin, Russia's Sputnik V, and the US-made Moderna. The other 2 are in early stages of clinical trials, and a further 3 are in late-stage trials. And while Moderna has been cleared for use, it's unclear when the shots will actually arrive from the United States. Still, authorities hope to procure 2 billion shots by December. It should be enough to inoculate all adults in the country.
When we announced from this stage that we will have 2 billion shots by the end of the year, we said it because we were given a clear roadmap by our vaccine makers. I'll emphasise that we are being cautiously optimistic, but I think we're going to get there.
Despite vaccine makers having bumped up the supply, many cities are still running out of doses. Officials say it's not a supply issue but a logistical one, as India is a large country. Facing a severe crunch, the country had banned vaccine exports in March. But officials say once a large chunk of the domestic population has been inoculated, they can export doses once again. As for India, they say expanding vaccine coverage is the only hope against the pandemic. But less than 5% of the country has been vaccinated so far. Experts say that India needs to vaccinate 8 million people every single day to reach its inoculation target, but so far the country has been managing only half the number. Ishan Garg, SABC News, New Delhi.